Today we are making crack bacon. This recipe only uses 5 ingredients and is one of the easiest things I cook. It takes the already delicious bacon we all love and turns it into a Schedule 1 drug. Let's get to it. Rule number 1 of crack bacon is finding bacon without ascorbate or sodium erythorbate. These are common additives in cheap supermarket brand bacon to pump the weight up. If it has either of these 2 ingredients, please don't even bother buying it. As the bacon as the star of this show, rule number 2 of crack bacon is to get as thick cut as you can find. On a wire rack over a foiled baking sheet, lay down your strips with a little bit of space in between. If you don't have a rack, this will work perfectly fine, it will just take a little bit longer. Now for the glaze. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of Sriracha, and for rule number 3 of cracked bacon, you must use 3 tablespoons of real maple syrup. This is no time for log cabin or Aunt Jemima. Throw in a couple of splashes of Worcestershire sauce and 10 cranks of black pepper and give it a nice stir to combine. With a silicone brush or the back of a spoon, apply a thin layer of the glaze to each strip. Now's the time to really use those painting skills you picked up in 3rd grade. Do this with tender love and care or the bacon will never respect you. Rule number 4 of cracked bacon is you want to start your bacon in a cold oven so that the fat can slowly start to render out before crisping up. Place the tray in the oven and turn it on to 415 degrees Fahrenheit or 212 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, flip the strips and apply another layer of the glaze. Then pop it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Flip and glaze again every 10 minutes until the bacon is to your desired crispness. This usually takes around 25 to 35 minutes total depending on the thickness. Some pieces will finish before the others, so just remove those to a plate while the others can finish up. With high quality, thick cut bacon like this, you want it to still have some chew to it with a crispy outside. You do not want to cook this into a shattering oblivion. Transfer your bacon to a plate, shaking off any excess grease, and your cracked bacon is done. Whether a standalone snack or a side for a brunch party, this stuff always impresses. As the name suggests, this bacon will always leave you wanting more, and you will be very sad when it's gone. It is smoky, salty, meaty, sweet, spicy, savory, and crispy all at the same time. And that is it. As always, the full recipe and ingredient list are in the description down below, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.
How many do you need to leave?
What is this?
Bacon. Candy bacon. 12. Well, this is. Whoever's not here should.
Oh my god, that's good.